Sometimes when you're painting, it's really easy to get caught up in the world of the painting, you know, making your marks and getting frustrated about the painting and all that sort of thing. But, you know, maybe there's a bit more to it, you know, maybe the process of making a painting, it's not necessarily always supposed to be about suffering, despite the stereotype that comes with the whole artist's lifestyle. When you think about it, you go into the world and you look for magic. You know, you find light, you find colour, and you find shapes and things that are intriguing in some ways. And then you discover that there's little ecosystems and things that exist that need one another to exist. And then at some point you realise that you're part of that. And then it's really easy then to take yourself out of the real world, the one with mortgages and money and all that sort of stuff. And I'd suggest that we all kind of need a break from that. Once you've been outside and found all that magic, of course, you want to come back and regurgitate it. And just the act of taking paint and putting it on the surface and moving it around is kind of meditative. So you get to play with magic and you get to meditate while you're doing it. And so maybe it's not about the picture. Maybe it's about something bigger. Maybe consider that you're a participant in the act of creation. And maybe there's no point in creation if it doesn't make you shiny.